I have a couple of days until I see my next group of friends, so I think I'm going to take a day trip today, go south to Colorado Springs, see what's there, check out Garden of the Gods. Stay tuned. There was a 2-hour car ride ahead of me, but while excited to spend my first day near the mountains, I was in for the surprise of my trip.
They have In-N-Outs in Colorado?
We're stopping. We're so stopping on the way back.
I had no idea that they had Oh my god, I gotta go.
Yep, it was official. I'd lost it. But before turning around to get my overhyped burger, I'd try to enjoy the Garden of the Gods. Wow, so beautiful, so perfect, is exactly what I'm gonna say when I make my way to In-N-Out Burger soon. And finally, it was time to bolt to, well, you know, I'd taken flights shorter than the time it took to get my food, but finally, my moment arrived. It was okay. God's Garden sure left a lot of dirt on my car. After a wash, I spent the evening reorganizing the inside. The next day, I made a friend and we headed out to Rocky Mountain National Park. Literally sitting above the heavens, there was only one thing to do: eat watermelon. I'm narrating here because it was really windy. I was saying that as a Marylander, she just had to try something brought from home.
Yeah. Uh-oh. I'm not getting good vibes here.
It's okay. It's like just bringing pepper.
Well, I, for one, have some sprinkling to do on my watermelon here.
We headed north and felt snow would be coming down soon. Hang on. Whoa, check out those guys! And listen to this!
Was that one of them? I think it was.
Indeed it was, so we put on our snow gear and hiked to a frozen lake. The spot was begging for a snowman to be built, so we got to work. Ah, to be a kid again. Not too bad. As the autumn sky began to fade, it was time to head back. Also, it was Halloween. Denver was starting to get really cold. Rather than stick around, I chose to move on. And to sing a song about it. He was born in the summer of his 27th year, coming to a place he'd never been before. Left yesterday behind him, you might say was born again. Could say he found a key for every door. When he first came to the mountains, his life was far away, on the road and hanging by a song. But the string's already broken and he doesn't really care. Keeps changing fast and doesn't last for long. But the Colorado Rocky Mountain High, I've seen it rain fire sky. The shadow from the starlight is softer than a lullaby. Rocky Mountain High, Colorado. Rocky Mountain High.